Okay guys, we are going in with her dirty hair. I'm just going to put some warm water on it just to get it softened. We did have it in a high puff ponytail for the past couple days, so that's why it's all scrunched up. I am using Aussie Miracle Moist shampoo and conditioner. I love this shampoo and conditioner. Like it says, moist. It does keep your hair moisturized. I definitely use it on myself as well as Emery. Love it so much. Emery is a rough rider, so she gets dirt, food, anything that you could think of in her hair, so I have to wash it a couple times. Right now I am going in with the conditioner all over. I use a lot of conditioner. I go through conditioner more than I do shampoo. And I put it all on her ends, all on her edges, all over the scalp. And I do this about 3 or 4 times just to make sure that it's very, very much moisturized. I do use cool water when I'm moisturizing her hair. And I also detangle as the conditioner is on her hair while we're up here at the sink. She does not like water in her face, so I have to use the cup to rinse. But, you know, she's a toddler. They be in their mood. Sometimes they like it, sometimes they don't. It all depends. But this is how we do it, and it works for us. Now I'm just going to pat her hair dry, and I'm going in with my Curls Blueberry Bliss leave-in conditioner. I love this leave-in conditioner. It leaves her hair soft and very easy for me to detangle as I'm sitting here, and leaves it very moisturized. I love it a lot. Now I'm just gonna go in and section off her hair. I don't I'm pretty much freestyling her hairstyles. When I get finished washing her hair, I never have like a plan set in my head. I just kind of go with the flow, and whatever comes out is what we rock with for the next 2 to 3 days. Now I'm going to go in with this mixture that I put together. It is black castor oil as well as the sulfur 8 and dew grow, all mixed together. I love this mixture. When she was about 1, I noticed that she had little bald spots throughout her head, and so I used this mixture, and it really did help her hair grow in those spots. So I love this. I recently ran out, so I just made a whole new mixture in this container right here and mixed it all together. So we have decided to do the 2 puffs in the top with one pony in the middle and a pony in the back. And I'm just going to go in with that mixture all over her edges, all throughout her parts, and on her hair. I try to stay away from gels for her hair. I try my hardest to. Sometimes I do use the gels, but for the most part I try not to. Just because she's a toddler, it's just my preference. Just my preference. I do know that the Curls products is black owned. I'm not too sure about the black castor, the dew grow, the sulfur 8, or the Aussie. But I know that the Curls brand is black owned for the moms that like to use black owned products. She does really good just sitting here and letting me do her hair. I do have to give her a snack or the tablet, put something on just to keep her occupied. But for the most part, she does really good getting her hair done. She likes to look pretty, so she likes for her hair to be done. She doesn't give me too much of a hard time. So like I said, we did decide to go with the pony in the back, the pony in the middle, and the 2 at the top. And I'm just going to section them off, put them into ponytails, and then put 2 to 3 braids to each ponytail and put the barrette at the end. I love little girls with barrettes and knockers. I love it so much. I feel like it's just a tradition for us, for all our little girls to have those. With the little barrette box, I remember my barrette box. So I just comb out her ends, comb through the hair with the rat tail comb just to make sure everything is smooth, and then braid it out, and then just pop the barrette at the end. And once I get them both done, I just pop a knocker on the top. Now her hairstyles can last 2 to 3 days depending on what Emery is doing. She does like to swim in the bathtub, so that's really what ruins the hairstyles, and then I have to redo them. But if she decides that she is not going to swim, she's too tired or something, then we can get the hairstyle to last a little bit longer. But for the most part, Emery loves to swim. I always call her my little mermaid, my little fishy. So she's always in the water in the bathtub, laying down and swimming. So this is our finished look. We're gonna put that last knocker on and we are done. Super easy, super simple, really cute for a little girl, and there she is. Thank you guys for watching.